Alrighty team, welcome to our workout for today. Today we'll be going through an AMRAP, so as many rounds as possible, and we've got a 15-minute time cap. Now, with these exercises as well, they are all body weight. However, if there are any exercises where you can add weight, please do so if you have the ability to. With our AMRAP as well, making sure that when we work through, there is no rest in this, so for that full 15 minutes, we are going as hard as we can. Of course, if you do need some rest, please take it, but try to get through the whole 15 minutes unbroken if possible. Let me know as well in the comments how many rounds you get. When we count a round, one round is a full get through of the entire thing. Obviously, if you only get through a specific amount of exercises, say for example, you get halfway through the third exercise, that's a DNF, so did not finish on the third. So in this case, it would be, let's say 5 rounds, and you would count the first 2 exercises. So 5.2, because there's 4 exercises in total, so we just go 5.2. So let me know what you get in the comments. So very quickly, again, 15-minute AMRAP. So 15-minute time cap, set your timer, AMRAP as many rounds as possible. Our 4 exercises we're going to be going through today are, we have 10 mountain climbers to start with. So push-up position, making sure that we keep the shoulders stacked over the wrist, and then we're bringing those knees up towards the wrists as well. So we're going for 10 mountain climbers. From there, we're staying down on the deck, we're into our shoulder taps, so the exact same position. Push-up position, we're tapping those shoulders, we're going for 20. We're then into our squat jumps. So with our squat jumps, guys, making sure we get that crease in the hips or crease of the hips below the knee. So squatting down, jumping up. Finally, we're going to be finishing with a 30-second straight arm plank. Now that is time specific there, so make sure you can see a watch or a clock. Straight arm plank. Staying in that position. Of course, once you finish that 30 seconds, we're then straight back into those mountain climbers. As I said, team, let me know how many rounds you get done in the comments. Hope you enjoy the AMRAP.